Hello everyone, I'm Nina and this is the fourth part of my how to draw a realistic face tutorial. This video is about drawing a mouth and we will need a pencil, B in my case, a black pencil, I'm using the one by Color, an eraser. Mine is shaped as a pencil, it's called Perfection 7056 by Faber-Castell, and a flat brush for blending. So, if you saw the first part of the whole tutorial where I was sketching the face and getting the right proportions, you know how and where to place a mouth. So I recommend you to watch that video first if you're not sure how to do that. The link will be under this video. So when I have the basic outlines, I'm starting to fill in the upper lip. I'm not pressing hard on the pencil, I'm doing it slightly because right after I'm gonna blend it with a brush. I decided to give my mouth a crease because it seemed too flat for me because I made the lips pretty full. So after the first blending, I'm taking a pencil again and smoothing it out. I'm making the lips darker on edges. And by the way, this is my Instagram, you are very welcome there. I'm taking a black pencil and drawing a line where the lips connect and a short line on the bottom of lower lip because these are kinda the darkest areas. And by the way guys, if you like this video and if you find it helpful, please subscribe and press the bell. As you can see, I'm continuing giving more color and contrast to the edges of the upper lip and even a little bit to the middle. I might have made it a tiny bit too dark, but I like it like that. So when I'm satisfied with the result, I'm going to give it some structure. I'm taking an eraser that is shaped as a pencil, which is extremely comfy, and imitating those tiny creases our lips have. And then I'm taking a black pencil and doing the same upwards. So the bottom lip is next. The bottom lip is usually bigger than the top lip. I drew two horizontal lines that actually follow the lip shape. These lines divided the lip into three parts, so the middle part is the lightest one. I'm filling in the lip around this part and blending everything with a brush. After that, I'm taking a pencil again and giving the lip even more color on top and on the bottom. I'm also imitating the structure by these little pencil strokes. They are following the shape of the lip as if it was convex. I mean, the strokes are not straight, they're actually curved. The next step is highlights and black strokes, just like with the upper lip. So I'm getting closer to the ends, so I'm fixing little details. And the last thing I'll do is fixing that crease I drew in the beginning of the video. This crease and also the one above the upper lip make the mouth three-dimensional. As I already said, it would look too plain without. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope it helped you. In the next part I'll be drawing skin, so stay tuned. Bye!